Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 24th of February 2024. Now I'm going to be going over the results of week 9's testing of SPX for the predictions based on the option chain analysis. And if you're wondering where these predictions are coming from, please review my channel where the videos are very clearly labeled weekly option chain analysis of SPX or weekly option chain analysis of Tesla, where these predictions are coming from. So you can see the rationale, the analysis, and everything behind these up or down predictions. So if you're curious about that, definitely go view my channel. But as for the most recent one, on the 18th of February, ending on the 23rd, we predicted that SPX goes up, which is clearly the case, as the week opened at 4,989.32 and closed at 5,088.79, giving us a profit of 99.47 points, which is 1.99%. bringing our cumulative P&L up to 2.48%. And the SPX's weekly change was positive 1.66%. Cumulative SPX's return until now is 6.86%, which actually brings our alpha up slightly to minus 4.38%. And although there is a ways to go, we are on the right track. And this is just a short video going over the results of this analysis. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.